Hi everyone, this video is for women over 40 who are tired of doing everything manually, the planning, the writing, the organising, the constant mental load. Today, I'm going to show you the exact AI workflows that replace repetitive tasks and give you hours of your life back every single week. I'm Tia. Nurse, midwife, clinical educator, vet trainer, instructional designer, and business strategist. I help women over 35 build practical low-risk businesses using AI and their existing expertise. You know, most women over 40 are carrying two full-time jobs, the one they're paid for and the invisible one, the mental load. AI isn't here to add more tasks, it's here to take tasks away. By the end of this video, you will have 5 plug-and-play workflows you can start using today. Why workflows matter. AI becomes powerful when you stop using it randomly and start using it systematically. Workflows remove decision fatigue, they create consistency, they help you move faster without working harder, and they make your business feel lighter, not heavier. Let's look at the 5 workflows. Looking at the overview of these workflows, you'll find that they cover core areas where women over 40 lose the most time. Creating content, you can spend ages trying to do that alone. Building products, onboarding clients, planning the week, and making strategic decisions. Each workflow removes 70 to 90% of the manual work. Content creation is one of the biggest time drains. Instead of sitting down wondering what to post, you can ask AI for 20 ideas based on your niche. When you ask for scripts, short form, long form, carousel, email, whatever you need, paste the script into Canva, choose a template, and export the finished product. This workflow turns a 3-hour task into a 15-minute one. Digital products are one of the easiest ways for women over 40 to create income without burnout. AI gives you the outline, the structure, then it writes the content. You edit it for accuracy and tone. Then your design moves across to Canva. Once you're completed in Canva, you can export it as a PDF file. This workflow removes the blank page panic and speeds up creation dramatically. Client onboarding is where many women lose time and energy. AI can create a complete onboarding checklist tailored to your business. You build a simple Notion dashboard with links, forms, instructions, and timelines. Then automate welcome emails and reminders. This creates a professional, seamless client experience without you manually sending anything. Weekly planning is where overwhelm starts. Instead of guessing what to do next, ask AI to create a weekly plan based upon your goals. Then add the tasks to Google Calendar and set reminders. This workflow keeps you focused, organized, and consistent without a mental load. Business strategy is where most women get stuck. AI can analyze your niche, identify gaps, and suggest offers. It can compare competitors and show you how to stand out. It can create pricing strategies based on value, market demand, and positioning. This workflow removes confusion and gives you clarity instantly. When you combine these workflows, your business becomes lighter. You stop reinventing the wheel, you stop wasting time, you stop second-guessing yourself. Instead, you move with clarity, consistency, confidence, and momentum. These 4 things women over 40 need most when building a business. If you're ready to build a business that feels manageable, sustainable, and aligned with your life, you can start with the help of the free startup kit at tiabuildsbusinesses@gmail.com. Just request it. Be happy to send it to you. It will help you set up your first workflows and begin building your business this week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, hit like and subscribe to help this channel in its infancy, and I'll see you in the next video.